I really need to sign my baby up for singing lessons. But anywho, hey girl, listen, there's not a lot of videos here on YouTube showing you girls how to style your baby girl hair. So I definitely want to be your go-to girl when it comes to these styles. So this style right here is going to be a quick 10-minute style. It really just depends on how much hair or how thick your baby hair is, honestly. But this took me about 10, maybe under 10 minutes to do, really because I already had her hair sectioned out, so that saved me a lot of time from a previous hairstyle. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and part her hair into two sections, and then I'm going to section out her hair in the front into three sections. Okay, so let me be clear on this. I am not the best parter. I will be parting Ari hair for hours, so I don't even worry about if the part is not straight, long as it's decent enough. So I'm going to go in with this Just For Me edge tamer or something like that. It's not like an edge control because it has more like a creamy texture instead. So I want to say it's like a low-key moisturizer. So I go in with that, and then I add the Kentu gel. I love this gel, especially on Ari's hair, because wherever I apply the gel, it smooths her hair instead of curling her hair. Mama. I just love Ari so much. So now that I got her three sections in the front, now it's time to work on the back. So what I like to do when it comes to working with Ari hair is, of course, working in sections. It's just, it's a lot more manageable. It doesn't hurt her, and it's just an easier way to detangle her hair, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and section off her hair and then apply water to detangle and comb out her hair. But I am going ahead, as you can see, in sectioning off the hair into another two sections. And this is how I will be making my smaller sections. Okay, so now that I got our hair sectioned, Ari is trying to show y'all the next product that we're going to be using, but not quite yet, Ari. So I'm going in with this Nectar detangling spray. I really don't know how I feel about this just yet because it leaves her hair kind of sticky. So I'm using that to give me a little bit of slip and moisture when I am braid or twisting her hair and detangling those ends at the same time. So yeah, I don't like to detangle and twist her hair when it's dry. I prefer to just wet it a little bit and add a little bit of product just to make sure that moisture is locked in. So you definitely can stop the look here and be out the door, but for me, I love to accessorize Ari's hair by adding either some bows or ribbons or these little knockers. When it comes to using the knockers, I like to coordinate her colors of her knockers with her clothes. Now, if you don't have knockers, like I said, you can definitely just, add some hair bows, and it's just going to jazz up the look. It's going to make it look even better. And I also feel like, it takes me back to my childhood when I used to wear stuff like this in my hair. And I think it's so appropriate for little girls to look like little girls. So, and as far as her edges go, I'm just taking a little bit of the Cantu gel and just applying them directly on her baby hairs and swooping them into her little ponytail. You definitely can use like hair moisturizer or nothing at all. It's totally like a preference. I prefer to use the Cantu gel. It keeps her hair in place. It's soft. It doesn't flake. And I feel like it's hydrating to her hair because I haven't had any issues. So now I did decide to remove the bows because I wanted to add the knockers to the ends of her hair. Now, please don't even try my technique because I really don't even know if this is the right way that you're supposed to do it, but it works for me. So what I do is I take one end of the ball and I wrap the ball around her ends. And then I take the other end of the ball and I wrap it around the ball. And then to secure the ball, I tie it with a rubber band. Girl, like I said, it's I can't tell you how to do it. Y'all try to find some YouTube videos or TikTok videos or something because I just don't feel like I'm doing it the right way. But the bows do stay in place. So maybe I am. So yeah. Okay, y'all, and this is pretty much the final look. Now this style, depending on the texture of your baby girl hair and how you secure the hair at night, can definitely last you like 3-4 days. This particular style lasts me anywhere from 4 to 5 days if she has her bonnet on. So yeah, here's the final look. Hope this video was helpful. Okay, now say bye. Thank you. Look, say bye. Thank you. Come here. Come here. All right. Bye. Thank you. Say bye.